this is another thing that I want to get out with a lot of, if you're still active duty, whatever, I want you guys to focus on this. Don't play that mom and dad game. If someone tells you no, go look for someone else to tell you yes, but do your research. Because I literally sat there one time, I was at a range and I had an E7. I think they were like all National Guard cadre or whatever. And he was showing me his day job that he drove over the road trucks. And I'm like, that's cool. I actually want to go get my license here soon. And he was like, well, you can't do that no more. And I'm like, really? I'm like, I had a friend that he got his CDL with the military waiver program. He's like, no, you can't do that no more. They stopped doing that years ago when I got mine, blah, blah, blah. People always going to try to shut you down and close you out. Don't listen. I didn't listen to that. I still went, every little chance I had, I'd run over to the order room. I do my own research. I found the form. I printed it out, had my commander signed it. I went back to Florida, took my CDL. All I had to take was 2 tests, no, 3 tests because I got my Class A. I took 3 tests online and I have my CDL Class A without taking any schools, nothing, because I used my military waiver program. So right there, I saved myself a couple $1,000s and I was able to put less money down on the truck